We want to simplify this algebraic expression, but as previously discussed, we can't simply cancel the 6x on the bottom with something on the top. Our first step has to be to factorize the expression in the numerator. We can see here that we have a common factor of 3 and also a common x cubed. If we open a bracket, we get x squared minus 3, and of course we can re-expand to make sure that we get the original numerator. We then need to divide this by 6x, and we should remember that we have 3 times x cubed times the bracket on the top and 6 times x on the bottom. Since everything is multiplied, we can do some cancelling. Therefore, we can cancel the 3 with the 6, and x cubed divided by x would give us x squared. So in the numerator, we have x squared times the bracket left, and on the bottom we just have 2.